Good evening. Well, February 2022 will be remembered for its string of named storms that brought us all of that really windy and disruptive weather we've seen. But it's also been a very mild month across some parts of the UK. Certainly this weekend has felt fairly spring-like out there with the blue sky and the sunshine, and particularly for England. In fact, the central England temperature record is running at 3.2 degrees above the long-term average for the month of February 2022. It hasn't always felt particularly warm given the strength of the wind, but the jet stream has often been to the north of the UK. Quite a strong jet stream we've been seeing, and it's been driving in this mild air from the west or the southwest. Now, what about the week ahead? Well, temperatures will really be fairly typical for this time of year as we head into the first week of March. Rain at times, some sunshine around too, and we could well be seeing a bit of mist and a bit of frost overnight, particularly towards the north. Now, we have had clear skies out there today, but we've got a weather front approaching from the west, so that's already bringing some rain into parts of Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, and it edges its way gradually further eastwards through the course of tonight. It's going to be quite a windy night, gales likely up towards the Western Isles, and that rain will spread into western parts of England and into Wales by dawn. The lowest temperatures will be across the east of England, but they'll tend to pick up through the early hours of Monday as that cloud moves in. So tomorrow then, some fairly slow moving and heavy rain likely on this frontal system, particularly for parts of northwest England, Wales down towards the southwest too. Probably not reaching East Anglia and the southeast until the end of the day. Temperatures here about 13 degrees and a return to sunshine and showers for Scotland and for Northern Ireland. Moving through Monday night into Tuesday, that weather front largely clears away towards the east, but the remnants of it just lingering towards the south. So under the cloud here, it won't be quite as cold to start your Tuesday morning, but we are expecting quite a sharp frost across many central and northern parts of the UK first thing Tuesday. Could be some misty patches around too. Now, some rain will affect southern England during the day. A bit of uncertainty about just how far north that rain gets, probably to the south of the M4 corridor. Elsewhere, sunny skies and temperatures around about 8 to 10 degrees on Tuesday. Moving through into the middle of the week now, and we'll start to see a bit of a wave on that weather front, so it's going to push its way back towards the north and the east. It's a fairly weak front, so I think on Wednesday it will bring a fair amount of cloud and a few splashes of fairly light rain northwards across the UK, probably northern and eastern Scotland sticking with the sunshine all day. Highs somewhere between around 8 to 11 degrees on Wednesday, but then we've got the next frontal system just waiting in the wings. So overnight and heading on into Thursday this is now. This front heads in from the west. It's not going to be particularly active or disruptive, but it will bring more wet weather. Some places have got some fairly saturated ground. So we'll start off Thursday, probably that rain towards the west, tending to ease a little bit as it slowly moves eastwards. It is going to be a fairly cloudy, breezy sort of day. We'll return to some sunshine from the west later on, and temperatures again around about 8 to 11 degrees on Thursday. Heading towards the end of the week now, and once we lose that weather front towards the east, we'll start to see a ridge of higher pressure moving in behind it. Now that should quieten the weather down as we look towards Friday and into the weekend too. Could be some early rain and perhaps even some mountain snow for Scotland in the east. That clears away to leave more in the way of dry and bright weather, but it will feel that little bit colder, around 7 to 10 degrees. No sign of any named storms though through the week ahead. But for now, it's back to John at Rest Hall.